Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. Today we'll be doing a quick HIIT routine. We're gonna have some fun, we're gonna burn fat, we're gonna build muscle, we're gonna boost our metabolism, and we're gonna have a great time doing it. So let's jump right to it. We're gonna be doing 2 sets. The first set is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, while the second set will be complete run through from top to bottom, less talking, more doing. But before we get into that first set, we're gonna start with a quick warm up with sun salutations. You're gonna want to stand on your mat or on your floor, whatever you have. Stand upright. We're gonna reach towards the ceiling as high or as far as we can reach, and then as we bend and at our waist, we are going to pull our shoulders back, and we're going to try to touch the ground. Keep our legs straight as you can until we come straight back up and reach as if you're a cat for the ceiling again, and then doing it all over again. The goal is to kind of open up your chest, open up your back, while also stretching your legs and your arms at the same time. So this is a cool, great full body exercise. It's mainly used for yoga, but it's gonna be perfect for what we want here. So let's put 30 seconds on and let's just do some of these. Reach for the sky, make sure you're breathing, pull your shoulders back, reach for the ground. I kind of like bounce at the bottom here just to help stretch my hamstrings out, and then I reach back up, breathe out, reach for the bottom again, back up, and back down. Go, reach. We got one more. Let's just do one more here. Reach to the sky and breathe out. There we go. I feel nice and loose, and hopefully you do too. So let's get right into that first set. Our first exercise are gonna be squat punches. You're gonna squat and then you're gonna punch. Pretty self-explanatory, but don't worry, I will show you exactly what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna wanna stand up, if you're not standing up already. Feet a little past shoulder width apart. Try to keep your back straight, and we really just wanna pivot from our knees and also like our hips. The goal is to drop as far as we can. The goal is at least 45 degrees to 90 degrees. If you can go further, great. But as you drop down, proud chest, and as you come up, you're just gonna pivot to one side and throw a punch to the side as you twist all the way over until you come back to the starting position. You're gonna drop back down into a squat. You're gonna turn and do the other side. So let's just put 30 seconds on the clock. Let's have some fun with it. Again, this is HIIT. We want movement, but less breaks, more action, more heart rate, all that kind of stuff. Here we go. So you squat down and punch, squat, punch, squat, punch. I like to keep my hands in front of me so that it's easier for me to extend into my punches, but whatever you feel comfortable with, you can do. Squat, and as you're twisting, you're just extending that arm all the way up, out. And if you need to twist your feet as well with it, feel free. Really just trying to, again, just get some motion. This is a great full body. Do one more each side, and there you go. Next, we have knees to elbows. You're gonna wanna put your hands behind your head, elbows out. And all we're gonna be doing is raising one knee at a time to either side into basically like a side crunch. As so, the goal is to really reach with your knee, reach with your elbow to like meet in the middle. You don't have to touch if you can't, but the goal is really just focusing on these sides. You wanna stand up straight, try not to hunch over or be too far back. We really want to isolate and make sure we're focusing on that side crunch. Let's put 30 seconds on. Here we go. I need my elbow so hard right there. Here you go. Just raise that elbow up, or that knee up to that elbow. Make sure you're breathing. Again, this is HIIT, so we want to be moving. Try not to take too many breaks if you can help it. The goal is good form, but also let's speed it up. You know what you're capable of. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, one more. Great job. Or we're gonna jump immediately into lunges. I like to step back into my lunges, but if you like to step forward into whatever you're comfortable with, we're just gonna alternate lunges on each side. And again, go at your own pace, but we're gonna keep it normal lunges for now, but if you really wanna slow them down, you can. If you wanna do jumping lunges, you can. Whatever you feel comfortable with. We're just gonna start with normal ones. Let's put 30 seconds on. We're gonna step back. The goal is to keep as much 90-degree angle with your front leg and your back leg. You don't actually have to touch the ground. Sometimes I overextend because I'm working at my hip flexors, but whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is really just to isolate these legs. You're gonna feel it in your hammies, in your quads, in your glutes, all of it. Here we go. A couple more. One more each side. And good job. Now we're gonna drop to the floor for some plank jacks. You can be on your elbows or you can be on your hands, whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is you want to put yourself in a plank position, flat back. You want just like one straight line. And all we're doing is hopping out with our feet and hopping back in. It is a jumping jack, but horizontal. So here we go. I'm gonna put 30 seconds on and let's have some fun. Remember, this is HIIT. We wanna move our body. And if you can't be on your hands as such, you can go down onto your elbows, but it also does the same stuff, so you're not losing any of that fat burning qualities. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. Whew, I feel good. All right, if you got up, get back down. We have our last exercise, suitcases. You're gonna want to lay flat on your back, your hands behind you over your head. And as we raise our hands and our shoulders off the ground, we're going to be bringing our knees to our chest or as high as we can and meeting in the middle. I can't even get up, there you go. Like so, and extending all the way back down, dropping, and then bringing again, extending. This is gonna be a full body ab workout. You're gonna feel it in your legs, feel it in your arms, feel it in your core, feel it in your back. You can feel that everywhere, so let's just put 30 seconds on, and let's go. So fully stretch out. Try to touch your feet if you can. The goal is really to just drive those knees to your chest. There you go. You're doing great. There we go, a couple more seconds. We got 2 more, come on. 1 more, and done. All right, great job. That was our first set. Now that you know all the movements, we're gonna put it all together. One fell swoop, less talking, more doing. Are you ready to grab some water? You should be warmed up by now. Round 2 starts now. All right, going right into squat punches, 30 seconds on. Let's do it. Squat down, punch to the side and twist. There you go. Make sure you're breathing. Twist. There you go. You're gonna feel so good when this is done. Maybe right now you wanna kill me, like, Greg, what are you doing to me? But trust me, you're gonna feel so good at the end of this. There you go. Almost done. Squat down. Keep good form. Couple more seconds. 1 more punch each side. Bam! Good job. We're moving right into knees to elbows, hands behind your head. 30 seconds on the clock. Let's do it. Really try to bring that knee up from the side. Don't bring it from the front because it's not working out what we want. Really just want to bring it to the side. There you go. Bend over. We're working those obliques. Everything. There it is. Make sure you're breathing. There it is. Come on. Fight through the pain. Fight through the agony. Couple more seconds. Come on. You're doing great. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Our third exercise, we have lunges. Get yourself ready. Get yourself centered. Stand tall. Stand proud. 30 seconds on the clock. Here Here we go, step back right into that lunge. Really explode up. This helps with our plyometric power, as well as all your joints. Like I said, this is a great full body, which you may not realize it, because like you have to stabilize with your core, with your back, swinging your arms. Here we go. Obviously, you know your legs are growing as we speak. There it is, come on. A couple more. There you go. Find your center. 3, 2, one more. Bam. Next, we're going downtown for plank jacks. Again, you could be on your hands or you could be on your elbows. I'll be doing both for y'all. Really want to tighten your core. Let's do it, 30 seconds. And here we go. Focus on exploding out, like I said, with the lunges. For whatever pace you feel comfortable with. Drop to my elbows for you. There you go. Doing great. Almost done. 3, 2, 1. We done with that one. One more, come on, one more exercise. We have suitcases, catch your breath. This is the hard one. We leave the best for last. Here we go. You're gonna be on your mat. Lay flat on your back. Catch your breath. 30 seconds. Hands overhead. And let's get these suitcases packed. There you go. Really extend. If you need to drop your feet to the ground, feel free. Whatever you can do. This is the last 30 seconds. Come on, let's fight. This is where dreams are made of. There you go. One more. Ah, great job. We nailed it, crushed it. Give yourself one of these and one of these. Well done. So that was your quick HIIT routine. I'm already sweating. I feel good. I feel alive. I hope you do too. And if you like workouts like this, make sure you share this video with friends. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts coming out. And I'm Coach Greg, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay healthy.